Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In July, on our drive from Bismarck back to New Orleans, we took a shortcut between I-94 and I-29 down US Highway 281. Along the way, we passed through the small city of Ellendale, county seat of Dickey County. We decided to take a quick tour through the quaint little town in the middle of nowhere. Ellendale is the county seat of Dickey County and had an estimated population of 1,246 as of 2019. Ellendale was established in 1882. That same year saw the arrival of the Chicago, Milwaukee, St. Paul, and Pacific Railroad into the area. Ellendale is the home of Trinity Bible College, located on the former campus of the North Dakota State Normal and Industrial School, and the Ellendale Opera House, currently under renovation. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude our city tour here as we leave Ellendale. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.